Hey everybody, this is Ronnie P. Just going to give you an update on my garden. Looks like all the tomato plants are doing really good, y'all. They've got, I'd probably say half the tomato plants are, they've already got little tomatoes, already started, and the other half are all loaded up with flowers, so it won't be long. My squash and zucchini plants are looking really good. But anyway, I'm going to flip it over and let you see, but the garden has really come along, guys. But check that out. I mean, just look at the growth on it. I mean, really good. I mean, look at the height on the tomato plants. You can see they've really come a long way, y'all. I don't think we're having any trouble growing any of this stuff. But you can see my squash plants, and you can see all the, sorry about that, there was a salamander down here that I almost stepped on. But anyway, you can see all the little blooms underneath the squash plants and the zucchini plants. We're gonna kind of walk around and check out my cilantro, y'all. I cut this cilantro back about, I cut all of the leaves pretty much off of it and left about maybe 5 or 6 inches of the plant above the ground. Just cut it all off, gave some of it away. We cooked with some of it. Really awesome. And look how fast it's come back. I mean, this is just, and this was probably maybe 4 or 5 days ago I did that. And also did that to the parsley and the basil, and everything just sprouts right back. I mean, super fast. You can see that I've got little flowers on the bell pepper plants, and you can see the little my little salamander right here. Check him out. Look at him. Anyway, he's been living in this garden. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Maybe one of you guys can comment on that and let me know if they're okay to be in the garden. But you can see the little baby bell peppers. All right, let's move along, and I'll show you guys some of the tomatoes. You can see right here on this little vine right there. It's just loaded down with tomatoes, guys. This is the Super Sweet 100s. Really cool. We got flowers just all over. I mean, this thing's gonna be loaded down. Pimento peppers right here. You can see right here, one little flower there. This plant has really shot up a lot. Got some more tomatoes on this backside that are all grouped together. My watermelons, check out the watermelons. I mean, the watermelons are doing really, really good, y'all. Like at first I was a little worried about it, but I mean, they are really going, and you can see this one right here is running. I guess trying to run outside the garden. That's probably what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna probably try to direct them out onto the ground, kind of out here around the outside of this garden. But you can see all, I mean, look at all of the little blooms under here that are getting ready to sprout out. Just check that out, y'all. Look under there. That's really cool. We're gonna have a ton of squash and zucchini and tomatoes. See, check this plant out. We got a group of tomatoes down here. Look, there's a bunch of them under here. These are the yellow cherry tomatoes. Right here we got some of the early girl tomatoes. Now, it's kind of funny. This is the early girl, and I don't really see a lot of action on this plant. I mean, it looks like we've got, some flowers there, but no tomatoes. Some of these other plants have beat these. Now we've got, looks like a little tomato that fell off on the ground right there. That's not good. But there's a whole cluster built up right here, all these little tomatoes. Tons of flowers everywhere. This is some more of the yellow cherry tomatoes. Let's see what we got. Yeah, it looks like we got more tomatoes down on the bottom here. We've got more flowers up top. Same thing here. You can see the group here. Now this is my Roma plant. So these are Roma tomatoes. So this plant and this plant, this whole, basically I've got 6 plants right here, nothing but Roma tomatoes. And it looks like we finally have some, guys. Awesome. Let's see. Right here, these are the red beefsteak tomatoes. So these are supposed to get really super big, and you can see we got one down here, and we've got another one right here growing. Same thing all in this row, nothing but red beefsteak tomatoes. Oh, here's my strawberry plant. Looks like we're about to have some strawberries, guys. We've got some flowers growing, so we'll kind of keep an eye on those. And this was that cucumber plant, y'all, that wasn't doing very well, but it looks like it's gonna be just fine. It's growing pretty good, and actually the other one is doing pretty good too. Let's see. More of the red beefsteak. And we have a whole group of them right under the bottom right here. Say hello to my wife, Sharon. But anyway, guys, it's looking good. Lots of tomatoes around the bottom. So anyway, guys, all right. Well, we'll be back with another update, and we will keep you guys in the loop. And look for the next update. If it's your first time to watch, please subscribe. Like my videos. If you have something, that you'd like to add, if you've got tips or, or anything that you want to share there, just let me know. But anyway, just check out the next update, guys. I should post another video at least by next Saturday. All right, guys, we'll catch you later.